How to order from Amazon without an account. Let's get started. Launch your Amazon app or you can head towards the website of Amazon. If you're trying to order from Amazon without creating an account, you won't be able to do that. At the moment, Amazon does not allow you to make an order without creating an account. While Amazon does let you browse products, read reviews, and even add items to your cart, but when you try to confirm your order, you won't be able to do that. Amazon requires you to log in or create an account to complete any purchase. There's just no official guest checkout option. But if you really don't want to create your own account, there is a small workaround. You can log in using someone else's account, maybe a friend or family member, and place your order that way. The good news is you can still set the shipping address to your own so the item gets delivered straight to you. It works, but there is a catch. You won't be able to track the order yourself. You'll have to keep asking the account owner for updates, which can get a bit annoying if we're ordering often. That's why, if you plan to shop on Amazon more than once or twice, it's honestly just better to make your own account. It's completely free and takes only a few minutes to set up. Plus, once you have your own account, you'll get full control over your orders, tracking, returns, and notifications. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.